We have Bitcoin at 16,600, Ethereum at 1,200, and BNB at $246. And the bond market is having chaos this week. We have gold exploding out, as we can see here. This is the gold looking on an upwards trend against the dollar. Gold is at 1,816 and its all-time high is 2,075. So can gold break its all-time high on this huge rally that is coming up? You can also see silver rallying out at 23.9, and against the pound we can also see gold here is having a massive pump, 15.09 here, guys. So gold is breaking out against the British currency as well. So you know, you want to be in gold, you don't want to be holding British currencies or any currencies, because you're going to be losing money to inflation, which is what gold is measuring everything against. So the S&P 500 plus 1.5%, Nasdaq plus 1.7%, the Dow Jones plus 1%, and the Russell 2000 plus 1.9% today. Wall Street 30 index plus 9%. But look at the Nasdaq, guys. It is dropping dramatically. It looks like it's about to break its support and have another leg down, because we did see Tesla completely collapse. Look at this week. Tesla stock, obviously the most popular tech stock with Elon Musk, everything. We have 121 on Tesla. So we will be tracking Tesla to see, and because that is a big indication of the tech stock market bubble popping. The dollar is at 104. So the dollar has been coming down, and now it is looking like it is forming a descending triangle here, where it will potentially break down here at the bottom of this triangle. And US bonds broke out this week. So again, this is not good for the entire market. This is what's causing everything to collapse. We have the US 10-year 3.8 and the US 30 at 3.9. We also have the British bond gilt yields at 3.7, rallying up, really pumping out, exploding. Rishi is probably panicking, and the British 30-year at 3.9 going up as well. Meanwhile, we have the pound currency going down slowly to 120 and the euro at 106. So gold is breaking out against all the currencies, but at the same time bond yields are starting to rise up, all because of what happened with the Bank of Japan's decision last week, guys. And we can see the US dollar again is starting to collapse here against the Japanese yen. Once again, the dollar is heading down. So the value of the Japanese yen is on that upward trend heading up after the Bank of Japan's pivot the other week, which has caused this ripple effect into the US bond market. So we will be seeing what happens to these bonds. If they keep going up, we're going to see chaos. Imagine people's mortgage rates. The whole of the debt prices is based on this. Mortgages, debt, everything you can imagine. And this causes the stock markets to collapse. So even though we have seen the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, the Dow Jones and the Russell 2000 and the US 30, even the UK stock market here, even though we've seen them rallying today, we have seen the top 5 US indexes heading downwards ever since. For example, the last few days we had like minus 5% days on the Nasdaq and so forth. So that is very rare, and that is happening, so keep an eye on that. Also, we have oil at around 77 right now. So whatever happens to gold and silver is going to affect oil going forwards. And just an update on copper here, we have 3.82 on copper. Follow us on the channel HotCuppaCrypto, guys, if you want to stay up to date with the markets.